Where to find your browsing history on Facebook app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on where to find your browsing history on Facebook app. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. Now, tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen and further scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. You will be led to the Settings page of Facebook. In here, scroll down until you see Your Information tab and tap on the Activity Log option under Your Information. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your activity log in Facebook. And now to find the browsing history specifically, tap on the search icon you see at the top right of your screen. You will further see the option for your search history there. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your browsing history on Facebook. So, this is how you can find your browsing history on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.